Turmeric contains curcumin, a bioactive, potent anti-inflammatory component, which helps soothe the skin of irritation, inflammation, and burns. It helps heal your skin while fighting off damage. In combination with honey, it helps restore the natural complexion of your skin, leaving it looking healthy and radiant. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly do subscribe. If you have been watching helpful videos on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, thank you and welcome back to the family. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to use turmeric powder and honey to achieve 100% glowing skin naturally. Using turmeric powder, honey and yogurt. You will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, you will need 1 teaspoon of honey. You will need 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Then we mix to combine all ingredients. You will then set this aside. Wash your face, but dry it before applying this mixture on your face. Okay, but since I'm using my hands, I will set this aside. I will then bring in the bowl with warm water. Wash my hands, but dry it before applying this mixture. Then I will now apply this on my hands. But don't forget that this remedy is for your face. Make sure when applying this remedy on your face, you avoid the fragile skin area around your eyes. Then you have to leave this for 20 minutes. I'll see you after 20 minutes. Welcome back after 20 minutes. We then go ahead and rinse this mixture with lukewarm water. After which you can apply any moisturizer of your choice. But for me, I'm going to apply castor oil. So this is the castor oil. It's going to serve as my moisturizer. You can try this 1 to 2 times a week. You can see how glowing my skin looks. So if you want your skin to look this good, try this remedy. That is all there is to this video. If this video was helpful to you, please kindly share it with your friends. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload useful and helpful videos. Till I see you next time. Bye.